Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and we're making one of my favorite things today, and that's ice cream. We're making peach ice cream. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can still make this ice cream, so keep watching. But right now I want to introduce you to my electric ice cream maker. This is a WHYNTER 2.1 quart ice cream maker. This particular ice cream maker has a bowl that doesn't have to be put in the freezer overnight. You can clean out the bowl and make batch after batch. I'm going to say this though, I used a CUISINART ICE 30 BC Pure Indulgence 2 quart for almost 15 years. I have 2 bowls and I still break it out when I'm making tons of ice cream. It's a fine electric ice cream maker. I just wanted to up my game so I could do more work. Plus, I wanted to treat myself to something awesome. Maybe I'll do a full review of both soon. A link to both of the ice cream makers I'm talking about is in the description below. It has a setting to chill the bowl while we make the ice cream base. So let's get that going. Let's get to making our base with some milk, heavy whipping cream, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. We're taking our canned peaches and draining them. And getting them into a food processor. We're looking for a smooth puree with a few peachy bits for a little texture. But feel free to even make it smoother. You can even strain it. It's your kitchen, do what you want. We're going to stir the base, then pour in our peaches. We're going to mix this well. That's so good. We're gonna take the top off our ice cream making beast. I love this thing, man. Now we're gonna pour our ice cream base into the machine like some boss. I'm gonna set it for 60 minutes, but I know it won't take that long. It's usually about 30 to 45 minutes, but if I'm busy, I don't want it to just stop and just be hanging out. So 60 it is. We're gonna slap the top back on and walk away. It does have a timer with a little beep or whatever, but I'll be on the patio having a beer, so look at that, it's ready, and I'm gonna remove it from the bowl. My method is just to pull out the dasher, which is actually the turning mechanism, and use a spoon to get as much ice cream off of that as I possibly can, and then use a big spoon to get it out of the bowl and into the ice cream containers. For those without an ice cream maker, you're going to grab a large flat plastic container with a lid. You're going to pour the ice cream base inside, cover, freeze for half an hour, then pull it out and quickly stir and flatten the ice cream. Put it back in the freezer and freeze for another 30 minutes. Do this every 30 minutes until you get the soft serve ice cream you've seen in this video. Then scoop it in the ice cream containers, cover with a plastic wrap, and freeze until it hardens up. All right, guys, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna taste this. And it still has some of the chunks of peaches. It's very good. It has a very dominant peach flavor, but it's not too sweet. All right, Chef Kendra is out. Peace.